Hello, good morning to all the lovely children. I hope everyone is fit and healthy and you are studying regularly. Okay, so now we will start exercise 7.6. In previous class, we learned how to add two fraction of how to add a fraction. Now we learn how to add unlike a fraction. Both like and to add to add or subtract the like and unlike fraction are same. How to add? Look at again, same as it is. First step, do you remember how will we add? Always first we take LCM of denominator. First step is taking LCM of denominator. So right, LCM of 10 and 15 is how much? So first we find LCM 10 and 15. So we will divide these two numbers, a number which can divide both. Okay, by 2 we can divide only 10, 15 is not dividing. Now which means 5 2 ja 5 3 ja. Can we divide further? No, because 2 is divided by 2 and 3 is divided by 3. So it means LCM is 5 into 2 into 3. 5 into 10, 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 3. So what is LCM? So LCM is 30. LCM is 30. So 3 by 10 plus 7 upon 15. So next is taking LCM. What is LCM? LCM is 30. Now it was first step. Now what is second step? Second step, do you remember how to add? Always LCM is divided by denominator. 30 divided by 10, 0 cancel by 0, what we get? 3. And what we get, it is always, what we get? 3. It is always multiply numerator. What is numerator? 3. Now plus as it is again, LCM 30 divided by denominator. What is denominator? 15. So we will cut. So 5 6 ja 5 3 ja 3 2. So what is answer? Answer is 2. So what we get? 2. And what we get? It is always multiply by numerator into 7. So now we'll next step. 3 into 3 multiply 3 9 plus 2 into 7 14 divide by 30. Now 9 plus 14 23 divide by 30. So it is our answer. You can write and in the question solve it, and you can write it in mixed fraction also. If in some examiner ask solve it and write in mixed fraction. So mixed fraction everyone know how we will write. So 23 divided by 30. So write always. So divide 23. So we will write 23 1 ja 23. Remainder is 7. So always how will we write? So it's mean. So how will we write? Always here we will write. Here we will write quotient 1 and here divisor and divide by, here is remainder and here is divisor. Okay, so this one 1 and 7 upon 23. So you can verify it also. 23 1 ja 23. 23 plus 7. Oh sorry, we are dividing by this one. So 23. Oh, it's okay. It's already in proper fraction. So we cannot represent. It is already in proper fraction because we can represent only improper fraction. We can represent in mixed fraction. So it is your answer. Okay. So same as it is. Next part. Next part is all part are same. You can do yourself. Okay. So next part is I part. Part I. So what is 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. So now here we observed how many fraction is here? 1, 2, 3. No need to fear. If more than 2 fraction, either 1, 2 fraction, 3 fraction, 4 fraction, so it is same method. First always you will take LCM. LCM of whose denominator? What is denominator? LCM of 3, 4 and 2 is. So first we find LCM. Always whenever more than 2 number, here is now how many number? 3. So we will divide by the prime number. Okay, prime number everyone know. At least 2 number is divided. At least 2 number. Okay, at least mean minimum 2. This means 2, 3 as it is. Now here we observe 2 can divide 4 also, 4 and 2 also. It means 2 number is dividing or not. So we can divide by 2. Okay, so 3 as it is, 2, 2, 1. Now and any number which can divide 3 and 2 and 1 also, with at least we can divide 2 number. No, we don't. No, otherwise 3 we can divide by 3 also. 3, 1, 2, 1. Now 2, 1, 1, 1. So what is LCM? 2 into 3 into 2. Okay, 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 2, 2. What is LCM? 12. You can find like this one also. LCM 3, 4, 2. So it means first we will divide by 2. We will write a number which can divide at least 2 number. So it means 2 is divided 4 and 2 also. 3 as it is 2 and it is 1. So any another number you know which can divide both 2 number or at least 2 number. We don't know. So it means direct we can multiply 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 2, 12. Otherwise you can do by this method also. Okay. So always find a LCM. So LCM is 12. Okay. So now 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2. What is LCM? LCM is 12. Okay. So next, the same as it is, same procedure we will follow. LCM is divided by denominator. 12 divided by 3. What we get? 4. And what we get? We got 4. This number is multiplied by numerator. 2 into 4 plus. Again, LCM 12 divided by denominator 4. 12 divided by 4, 3. And what we get? Multiply numerator plus. Again, denominator LCM is divided by denominator. 12 divided by 2, 6. And what we get? Multiply by numerator. Same as it is. So it is 8 plus 9 plus 6 divided by 12. 8 plus 9, 17. Plus 6, 23 divided by 12. Now it is, tell me, it is like fraction or unlike? It is proper fraction or improper fraction? It is improper. Now we can write it is in a mixed fraction. And mixed fraction, how will write? 23 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12. What is remainder? 11. So you can write 23 divided by 12. Always, what is whole number? What is quotient? Always here quotient 1. And here is remainder and here is divisor. Okay. So always quotient, here is remainder, here is divisor. We already know this formula. So 12 ones are 12. 12 plus 11, 23 divided by 12. So both are right. Okay. Next is one more part. It's part number L. Part number L. So 4, 2, 3 plus 3, 1 by 4. We can do this question by two methods. Okay. First we will solve. It is a mixed fraction. First we will solve in improper fraction. And everyone know 4, 2 upon 3. It means it is fraction It is fraction and it is whole number. Whole mean completely. Completely is 4. And everyone know how will we solve? Whole multiply denominator. So 4 into 3 plus numerator divide by, you know, this formula we already know. How will we solve it? Mixed fraction. Whole is 4. Whole multiply denominator plus numerator numerator, okay, divide by denominator. So how will we solve it? The same as it. Whole is 4 into denominator is 3. 4 into 3 plus numerator is 2 and divide by denominator. Same plus 4 into 3 plus 1 divided by 4. So now 4 into 3, 12. So like this one you can solve. If you don't want to write, you can solve directly. 4 into 3, 12 plus numerator. 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14 divided by 3. 4 into 3, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Same as it is. 3 into 4, whole into denominator. So whole into denominator, 3 into 4, 12 plus numerator is 1. So 13 upon by 4. Now you can solve. How will we add? By taking LCM and we will solve it. And second method, how will we solve it? Look at, or you can solve by like this one. 4 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon. So it means we know it is whole, it is also whole. So we will add whole. So 4 plus 3 and we will add fraction 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Like this one we can add also. Okay. So we will add these two and then we add 7. Okay. So now you can solve like this one. Okay. So now to do first question yourself, very easy. All rest of the parts. Now if you understand how to add and subtract the fraction, all the rest question are very easy. You can do yourself if you know how to add. Okay. So question number 2, I will explain only slightly and you have to do yourself these questions. So what is given? Sarita bought 2 by 5 meter of a ribbon. So we write ribbon was bought by Sarita. How much? So how much ribbon bought by Sarita? 2 upon 5. Same as it is. Ribbon was bought by ribbon bought by Sarita or by how much? Lalita. How much? 3 upon 4. So in the question what we have to find? What is the total length of the ribbon? So total length how will we find? Always subtract or addition. So total length of a ribbon. So how will you tell me? You have 3 rupees. Your friend has 4 rupees. What is total rupees? So total means 3 plus 4. Addition or not? Same as it is. Total length of ribbon 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 4. We will add. Okay. And what we will add? It is your answer. Okay. And always write answer in improper. Write if answer is come in improper fraction, then you have to write in mixed fraction. So do yourself this question. Okay. It is very easy questions. Only you have to add, and how to add fraction you already know. Okay. Next is question number 3. Nana was given 1 and 1 by 2 piece of cake, and Najma was given 1 and 1 by 3 piece of cake, and find the total amount of the cake was given to both of them. So how much cake was given both of them? So how will we solve? We will solve by addition. So we will write cake was given to, otherwise you can write cake taken by Najma. How much? 1 and 1 upon 5, and it is mixed fraction. And mixed fraction, how will we solve it? You know, always whole is multiply denominator. 1 into 2 plus numerator divide by 2. So what is 1 into 2? 2. 2 plus 1, so 3 upon 2. Same as it is. Cake taken by, second girl's name, who? It is Nana, not it is Najma, it is Nana. Okay, and it is Najma. So how much cake? 1 and 1 upon 3. Same as it is, we will solve. 3 1 ja 3 plus 1, 4 upon 3. And how much cake taken by both? How will we write? Right? Cake taken by both. How will you find? So 3 upon 2 plus 4 upon 3. How will we solve it? By adding the fraction. It is your answer. Okay? So solve it yourself. Next is question number 4. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4. Only one part I will explain, rest of do yourself. Okay? So fill in the blanks. First is A part. Fill in the blanks. This one, minus 5 by 8 equal to 1 upon 4. Equal to 1 upon 4. What is meaning of this one? Can you tell me? If I write, suppose I write here 7 minus 5 equal to 2, like this one. So suppose here is the fill in the blanks. So what number you will subtract from the box? Yes, from so what is meaning of this one? It is meaning 7 minus 5 by 2. It means 7 is 2 greater than 5. Otherwise you can write it's mean what from the what number you will subtract 5, then it come is 2. So like this one. How? Always remember, how will you find? Always remember, everyone know. So how will you find? Listen carefully. Whenever we change the position, remember this point, okay? Whenever we change the position, because it is left side, it is equal sign. It is left side, it is right side. Whenever we change the sign, whenever we change the position of any number from left to right or right to left, always sign is changed. So it means 2. Here 5 is negative, so it's become positive. So what is the value of box is 7. So 7 minus 5 is 2. Understand? So only one thing is remember, whenever we change the position, sign is changed. Negative become positive, positive become negative. So same as it is. So missing the fraction, and now we want to find this value. So it means we have to remove this one. Okay? And 1 by 4, and it is here negative. Another side positive. 5 upon 8. 5 upon 8. So can you solve it now? Do yourself. Taking LCM. LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. LCM divide by denominator. 8 divided by 4. 2. What we get? 2. And multiply by 1 plus 1 into 5. Solve yourself. It is very simple. So now 2 plus 5 into 8. So what is value of the fill in the blanks? 7 upon 8. 7 upon 8. Okay? 7 upon 8. So same as it is in exercise 7.5, you remember we left one question number 4. Question number 4, 7.5, question number 4. Which one? Suppose one part, any one part. Suppose we are doing A part. For question A part, what is 7.5? 7 by 10 minus fill in the blanks equal to 3 by 10. Yes, we want to find this value. This is here. So 7 by 10. Yes. 3 by 10 plus fill in the blanks. What we did, what I told you, always first we will make negative. First we change the negative number, okay? And we observe here, fill in the blanks, missing fraction is negative. So it is, and when it is another side goes, it's become negative, become positive. Now we want to find this value. So 7 by 10. And now tell me, we want to find this value. So we have to remove this one. This one another side become negative. Because here is positive and positive become another side negative. Understand? So same as it is. So what is LCM? 10 and 10 LCM is 10. 7 minus 3 is this one. So what is 4 upon 10? So what is value of the missing value? 4 upon 10. So you can do question number 4 of the 7.5 exercise yourself, all part, okay? Same as it is, okay? Now look at its C part. Fourth question C part. 1 upon 2 minus fill in the blank and 1 by 6. Yes, this question is same as it is. We observe again. Fill in the blanks here is negative. So we will change the position. Another side it is become positive. And now 1 upon 2 and we want to find value of fill in the blanks. So it means we have to change this one. 1 by 6 here is positive. Another side become negative. Now you have to solve yourself. Okay, it is your answer. Understand? Next is question number 5, A part. You will do yourself this question. Only I will explain it how to solve it. Okay, and you have to do yourself. So now it is given 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 3, and next is 4 upon 3, and next is 2 upon 3, and next is, so we have complete the addition and subtraction the box, but this side we have to add and this side we have to subtract. So it is meaning when we are taken like this side, when we go from the that side, from left to right, so it means add, positive. So 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 3, we will add, because left to right is add. So how to add? So it is, what is LCM? LCM is 3. Everyone know how to add? So it's become 2 plus 4, it is become 6 upon 3. So what is answer? It is 2. So it is 2. Same as it is. Left to right, 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3. What is? It is 3. 1 plus 2. 3 upon 3. It is 1. But when we come top to bottom, up to downside. So downside, so it is 2 by 3, and now downside is minus 1 by 3. Minus or not? In negative side, yes. So it is 3 and 2 minus 1. So what is 1 upon 3? So it is come 1 upon 3. Same as it is from this one. Top to down, 4 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3. You can subtract or add yourself. Everyone know how to will you solve? By taking LCM and this one. Okay, what is LCM? LCM is 3. So 4 minus 2. What is come? 2 upon 3. So it is come 2 upon 3. Yes, again. Downside. From up to downside. 2. What we have to subtract? 2 minus 1. So answer is 1. So it is our first part. Same as it is, you will do B part. On the left to right addition and top to bottom is subtraction. Okay. Next question. Now rest of the question you have to do yourself. Very easy questions. What is given? Question number 6. A piece of wire 7.8 meter long. Okay. So write length of wire. What is 7 by 8 meter? Next is broke into 2 pieces. So a wire is broke into 2 pieces. Okay. So like this one. So we broke the wire into 2 pieces. Okay. Suppose it is a wire. Okay. And I broke it in 2 pieces. Suppose it is a wire. Okay. And it is 7 upon 8 length. So now broke into 2 pieces. So like. So we will write the length of first piece. First piece how much given? 1 upon 4. So we have to find how long it is the other piece. One piece was 1 by 4 meter and how long is the other piece? So we have to find the other piece. Okay. So we have to find the length of second piece. So second piece how will you find? Tell me. Suppose look at, if I say you a length of wire is 8 meter. Okay. And you broke into 2 pieces. In 2 pieces like this one. First piece and second. So first piece is 5 and so second how will you find? It means total 8 meter and how much first piece? 8 minus 5. So it is third piece. So what is second piece? Third. What is second piece? Is 3. So length of second piece is how will you find? Total length 7 by 8 and subtract first piece. So length of the first piece. So now how will we solve it? You always first we take LCM. What is LCM? 8. LCM of 8 and 4 is 8. Okay. 8 is divided by 8. What we get? 1. 1 into 7 minus 8 divided by 4. 2 into 1. So what is we get? 1 into 7. So I am writing that side. Okay. So 7 by 8 minus 1 by 4. 8 equal to 1 into 7 and 2 into 1. Okay. Next, so length of second piece is this one. Now, so 1 into 7, 7 minus 2 divided by 8. So what is 5 by 8? But in question is asking how much long? How much long? So we have to find first piece. We have to find that. So in the second part it is given one piece was 1 by 4 meter long and how long is the other piece? So it is how much long of the other piece. So we have to find. So how? So it is the first piece and it is second piece. Okay. Now next question 7.6. Question number 7. Okay. So length of the other pieces is 5 by 8. Next is the same as it is. I think you can do all the question yourself. Okay. So it is. So everyone please try to all question 7, 8 and 9. If you have any problem in 7 and 8, 9, so you can ask me. Okay. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day. And from the Monday we will start our new chapter. Okay. Next chapter we will start. What is the name of next chapter? Is decimal. Okay. Decimal we will start. Okay. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.